Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over the odd function in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take any number, like we have here in column B, and round it up to the next odd number, like we have here in column C. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I go in cell C2 and I type the equal sign, there is a function in Excel called odd. So if I type ODD with a left parenthesis, I will be prompted for a number where I want Excel to round up to the next odd number. So in this case, I'm just going to click on B2, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And I can see that Excel is rounding up from 1258 to the next odd number, which is 1259. So if I click in C2, and I hover over the bottom right-hand corner until I get a thin cross. If I hold my left mouse button down and drag to the bottom, I can copy that function down for the rest of my numbers. So 5002 rounding up to the next odd number is 5003. 1540 rounding up to the next odd number is 1541. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if we can do this with an odd number, I'm guessing we can also do this with even numbers, right? So if I click in D2 and I type equals even with a left parenthesis, and I click on my number right here in C2, which is an odd number, I should be getting 1260. So if I hit enter, I can see in fact that I do get 1260. So you can also use the even function to round up to the next even number. Now there's more that you can do with the odd function, and we go over some more of these options out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments for us, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.